Hi friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If you have not done so already, definitely subscribe to the channel if you love home decor content. I cannot find the words right now to express how excited I am for sharing this dream beach house with you. Be prepared to experience one of the most beautiful homes in Seagrove Beach, Florida. Ready? Let's go. Don't forget to check the description box below for more beach home decor related items perfect for your home. This beach house getaway provides the owners as well as their extended family and friends with a wonderful place to relax and unwind. There are so many spectacular design details in this home, beginning with the striking exterior facade. A beautiful material palette provides a clean and contemporary atmosphere that is warm and welcoming. Large windows not only flood the interiors with natural light, but bring in the fresh seaside air while capturing the tranquil views. So I know we always speak about green and gold on this channel. It's a color combination I love and a lot of you as well. But let's not sleep on this blue and gold. In this foyer, they combined blue, gold, white, and it looks like a cream color. And this is a beautiful room. I just have one question for you. How can you absolutely not fall in love with this home? The breaking waves at the shore combined with the open concept interiors absolutely complement each other. Look at this nice open concept kitchen, dining room, and living area. So it looks like this color palette actually flows throughout the home. Once again, you see the blue, the white, a cream or gray, and a gold. I love how it ties the whole house together and complements the view. This large beach house style kitchen features coffered ceilings, custom glass front cabinets adorned in a metal brass trim, and a breathtaking marble and ceramic mosaic backsplash tile. Even the custom shiplap Pecky cypress kitchen hood is accentuated with brass trim. I have never seen a kitchen hood this gorgeous. Custom upper cabinets with metal and glass doors give a luxurious feel and add warmth to this kitchen. Take a moment to take in the tile work and the backsplash in your second kitchen and butler's pantry. Probably one of the best selling points of this house is this view. It just does not get much better than this. If you have a large house specifically meant for entertaining, it's always a great idea to have double of everything to include your washer and dryer. Featuring a custom marble wall with cabinets on the opposite side and dreamy ocean views, This truly is the ultimate beach house bedroom. This is the sitting area as well as the small kitchenette located in the master bedroom. The master bathroom features floor-to-ceiling stone tile work and becomes the focal point of the whole room. And may I add, I love the chandelier and all of the light that comes in this bathroom. With all of the guest bedrooms and bathrooms located in this home, it is no surprise that this is the meeting spot for all of the families and friends. And welcome to your beautifully finished basement. Custom drapery dividers create an intimate feel to this entire open space. In your basement also is a game room as well as a media room. Alright, so you have to let me know, what details in the design of this home did you find most inspiring? And on the other hand, what would you change if you had the opportunity, if this was your family vacation retreat? I am more than curious to hear what you all have to say, so let me know in the comments section below. Once again, give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with people who love home decor as much as we do, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and stay tuned tomorrow for more content just like this. Okay guys, see you in the next